Assalamu alaikum, my friends. We all know sugar is sweet, but here is the shocking truth. Even if you don't add sugar to your tea or coffee, rice is sugar, bread is sugar, fruits are sugar. Even milk is sugar. Your body cannot tell the difference. Everything breaks down into glucose and spikes insulin. Let's break it down with numbers. 1 cup of cooked white rice, about 150 grams, equals almost 10 teaspoons of sugar in your bloodstream. Can you imagine? 2 medium chapatis or rotis, about 60 to 70 grams of flour, equals 6 to 7 teaspoons of sugar once digested. 1 glass of milk, 250 ml, gives you 3 to 4 teaspoons of sugar from lactose. 1 medium sweet fruits like mango or banana equals 5 to 6 teaspoons of sugar from fructose. So, when you eat rice, bread, milk and fruit in the same day, you may be taking 30 to 40 teaspoons of sugar without even touching a dessert. That's why people say, I don't eat sugar, but their body is full of glucose all the time. And the danger doesn't stop there. Most of the food on our plate is grown with chemical fertilizers, pesticides and preservatives. These chemicals enter your body, damage your cells, create oxidative stress and worsen insulin resistance. Sugar plus chemicals, double poison. This is why lifestyle diseases are rising everywhere. But not all fruits are equal. Citrus fruits like lemon, orange, grapefruit are different. They are rich in vitamin C, which lowers oxidative stress. They have fiber, which slows down sugar absorption. They support your liver, immunity and insulin sensitivity. So while sweet fruits can overload you with sugar, citrus fruits in moderation can actually protect you. Remember, rice, roti, milk, fruits all turn into sugar. Avoid foods grown with heavy chemicals, preservatives and pesticides. Choose organic or natural. Be mindful with sweet fruits, don't make them your main meal. Add citrus fruits daily in moderation for natural healing. Sugar is not only sweet, it's a silent killer. It hides in your rice, your bread, your milk, your fruits. When combined with preservatives and pesticides, it becomes even more dangerous. But you can change this. Eat clean, real food. Cut hidden sugars. Use citrus fruits as your natural medicine. Take control today, your body, your energy, and your future depends on it. Assalamu alaikum. Take care.